The check engine light, one of the most dreaded symbols a driver can see. It can signal anything from a loose gas cap to serious engine problems. But don't worry. In today's video, we'll explore the most common reasons your check engine light is on and what you can do about it. Let's start with one of the simplest fixes, a loose or faulty gas cap. Your vehicle's gas cap maintains pressure in the fuel system and prevents fuel vapors from escaping. If it's loose, missing, or damaged, it can trigger the check engine light. Always ensure the gas cap is tightly secured after refueling. If the check engine light persists, consider replacing the gas cap, as they can wear out over time. Next up, the oxygen sensor. This sensor monitors the amount of unburned oxygen in your car's exhaust and sends the data to the Engine Control Unit, ECU. A faulty oxygen sensor can cause your engine to burn more fuel than necessary, leading to higher emissions and reduced fuel efficiency. If you notice a drop in fuel economy or your vehicle fails an emissions test, it might be time to replace the oxygen sensor. It's a relatively simple fix that can save you money in the long run. The catalytic converter is a crucial component that reduces harmful emissions by converting them into less harmful gases. If it's malfunctioning, you might experience reduced engine performance, a sulfuric smell, or poor fuel economy. Driving with a faulty catalytic converter can damage other parts of your vehicle and lead to costly repairs. If your check engine light comes on and you notice these symptoms, have your catalytic converter inspected and replaced if necessary. The mass airflow sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine, helping the ECU adjust the fuel injection for optimal combustion. A dirty or malfunctioning MAF sensor can cause poor acceleration, rough idling, and even stalling. Regular cleaning of the MAF sensor can prevent these issues. However, if cleaning doesn't solve the problem, it may need to be replaced. Spark plugs and ignition coils are essential for igniting the fuel-air mixture in the engine. Worn-out spark plugs or faulty ignition coils can cause misfires, rough idling, and difficulty starting the engine. Replacing spark plugs and ignition coils at the recommended intervals can prevent these issues and keep your engine running smoothly. Vacuum leaks can cause your engine to run inefficiently, leading to rough idling, high RPMs, and even stalling. These leaks can occur in various parts of the engine, including the intake manifold, vacuum hoses, and throttle body. Regular inspection and maintenance can help identify and fix vacuum leaks before they cause significant problems. If your check engine light is on and you notice these symptoms, it's worth checking for vacuum leaks. The exhaust gas recirculation (EGR) valve helps reduce nitrogen oxide emissions by recirculating a portion of the exhaust gases back into the engine. A malfunctioning EGR valve can cause rough idling, decreased fuel efficiency, and increased emissions. Regular cleaning or replacement of the EGR valve can prevent these issues and help your vehicle run more efficiently. Transmission problems can also trigger the check engine light. These issues might include slipping gears, rough shifting, or delayed engagement. The transmission is a complex system, and any malfunction can affect the overall performance of your vehicle. If you experience any transmission-related symptoms along with the check engine light, it's essential to have your vehicle inspected by a professional. In conclusion, the check engine light can be intimidating, but it's your vehicle's way of telling you something needs attention. Whether it's a simple fix like tightening the gas cap or a more serious issue like transmission problems, addressing the cause promptly can save you time and money.